Did you know Instagram lets you see all the follow requests you've sent, but hides the option? Let me show you the hidden way to check them. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Now tap the three lines in the top right. Select Account Center. Scroll down and tap your information and permissions. Now tap Export your information. This will open in your browser. Tap Create Export. Choose your Instagram account. Select Export to Device. Tap Customize Information. Deselect everything except followers and following. Tap Save. Choose your date range. Select HTML as the format. Tap Start Export and enter your password. Once ready, download the zip file. Open it, go to Connections, tap Followers and Following, then tap Pending Follow Requests. And there you'll see all your sent follow requests. And that's it. That's how you see sent follow requests on Instagram. Follow and subscribe for more hidden Instagram tricks.